This is the same as the first one, but it's already built. See, they have like a receiving area here. And then the divisions, like that. And there's room for plenty of offices. Or you might as well just leave it open. This is the floor that has been installed. The kitchen right there. And the view to the west. Most of it there, west. So this is how it would look when it's finished. A conference room right there. That is north. That view over there is north. Another room here. So that is west and that is north.